It only takes determination and effort to learn a new language. If you want to learn a foreign language, there are numerous tools and advice available to assist you. Learning the basics. 1. Learn the grammar rules. The grammar rules of your target language are likely to differ significantly from those of your native language. Spending time mastering the structure of sentences, such as word order, parts of speech, and subject-verb agreement, will benefit you in the long run. 2. Begin with common words. The initial words you should learn should be ones you will use on a regular basis. Start with personal pronouns and common nouns before moving on to adjectives or verbs. 3. Learn the fundamental phrases. You'll probably wish to learn how to ask simple questions like, where is the restroom, train station, hotel, school? Likewise, how much does this cost? You should also learn how to say, my name is, what is your given name, how are you doing, as well as, I'm doing well, poorly. Start with a few dozen phrases that you want to learn. 4. Make connections. One word may prompt you to consider another. Make mental images or create visuals based on your relationships. It doesn't matter how obscure or ridiculous they appear if they will aid in your memory. 5. Practice. One of the most effective ways to learn vocabulary is through repetition. Make flashcards with your vocabulary words and review them every day. You may even stick the cards about your room or house so you can view them all the time. You can also utilize a flashcard generator that is automated. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.